Google Compute Engine E2 instance type. The cost-optimized E2 machine series have between 2 and 32 vCPUs. The most cost-effective processor is selected automatically at the time of VM creation. Typical workloads include low-traffic web servers, back-office applications, containerized microservices, and dev and test environments. Supported processors include Intel Skylake, Broadwell, Haswell, Ivy Bridge, Sandy Bridge, and AMD EPYC Rome. E2 standard instances have 4GB of RAM per vCPU. E2 high memory instances have 8GB of RAM per vCPU. E2 high CPU instances have 1GB of RAM per vCPU. And E2 shared core instances are also available. E2 Micro has 1GB of RAM, E2 Small has 2GB of RAM, and E2 Medium has 4GB of RAM. Supported storage does not include local SSD, which is non-persistent and should only be used for temporary files. However, PD Standard, PD Balanced, PD Performance and PD Extreme are supported, as well as File Store NFS. Supported networking includes 2 different NIC types, GVNIC and VirtIO, and you can have a maximum of 8 NICs, but you must have at least 1 vCPU per NIC, and speeds range between 1 and 16 gig. E2 has no GPU support. For GPUs, the suggested alternatives are N1 series except the shared core instances, G2 series and A2 series.